cannot.
What? I should not be able to put my arms on the table? You can sit by it.
Can I spend $100 for ticketan?
No.
Good morning, Philippines!
So, dito tayo mag-harvest tayo ng halaoy. Anyari? Bakit parang hindi masaya sila? Look. Kasi nag-down, oh. Nag-down sila, so kaya punta tayo doon. Let's go. Pwede naman ako eh. Si Tami talaga ang tagal. Tagal ni Tami. I-harvest ko kaya ito. Parang pangit man. Pangit yung ano niya, oh. Kinain ng mga bubuyog. Watch out for this, huh? Look.
I see that. You probably shouldn't have brought it out here, but okay.
You stay here. I go over that side. Harvest. Kunin na natin ito. See, can you put it, be careful, huh? Can you try to put it in there? I want to see how if it's long enough.
No, it really isn't.
Huh?
I guess it's okay.
It's okay. This one doesn't work. Scissor.
You got pruning shears that you got.
I know it's right. It's inside the house.
Okay.
Dito tayo kuha para ano? Para hindi siya sagi ba? There's a lot of bird poop.
I'm just guessing, but it's probably from the birds.
Wala ka labi. Wala. Oh my God. You cannot focus it.
No, I'm trying to turn the damn screen back on. Can't you stop that from doing that?
Huh?
Isn't there a setting to keep that screen on?
I don't know. Maybe I have to do settings.
I mean, I know it'll kill the battery a lot quicker, but
Sometimes it's nice. A lot of it.
I feel like I'm filming you from a block away. The camera's at like the zoom on
This
it.
is it. I think this is good.
Okay,
Huh?
so I'll walk them around. Take them all from the same spot, so you leave their spot.
No, I want to do the back. I think this is good. Maraming bubuyog. Ang daming bubuyog na kinakain. Look pa siya. Yeah, look at it. I think this is good. Come on, let's go.
I gotta see right now.
Okay. So my cameraman is smoking. So I'm gonna put water before this died. Look, sobrang hangin din. Magandang bulaklak, di ba? So every time na mamatay ito, kukuha tayo doon. Ang dami kasi. I'm gonna put water, okay? Ako si Mr. Anyway, so, yun lang muna. Kasi sabi pa ni Tami na mukha na daw ano yung ano. So, ito, lagyan natin ng tubig. Lagay natin doon. So, ang ano dito eh. Maginaw na tubig. Maginaw na tubig yung ilagay natin para ma-share. O, diba? Oh my goodness. Ayusin. Paggang hydrangea guys, kung meron kayong ano, ay may spider, patayin natin si Tami magalit. So, kapag meron kayong property, bibili kayo. Mahal nga lang itong hydrangea guys. It's expensive plant if you buy it from ano, kahit baby pa siya. It's pricey plant but it will produce a lot of flower. Especially limelight guys. It's very pretty. You know why? It changes color every month. Purple to red to pink.
Not if you pick them.
Huh?
Not if you pick them.
Yep, not if you pick. But they are very pretty. Look, it's pretty, right, love? And it doesn't die quick.
I don't know how long they last in a vase. This is the way they look like.
No, that's how the color is.
You know, it's not bloom yet.
No, it's not bloom yet because they just started. It's not bloom yet. You can see it's still kind of green and baby. And ito yung bloom na siya, oh. Puting-puti. So, kung mag-bloom na ito lahat, sobrang fluffy niya. Parang cover na yan yung stem. And also, ang ano kasi niya, and then ang nakaganda nito guys, yung older na leaves is naging, ano siya, pink. And then, it will travel, the pink will travel here up here. And then, ito siya, mag-change siya ng purple. And then, ito, parang yung color is changing green to white to pink to purple. And this is limelight. That's why people love limelight. That's why it's expensive. But, you have to take care of them, guys. You have to trim them. This year is my first time, guys, na tinitrim ko sila. Sobrang tiring niya, guys, mag-trim. And it's very bushy. So, yan. Look, it's pretty. What do you think, love? It's pretty, right?
Yeah.
Look, it's pretty. How much more if this is turned all white? This one. I harvested it really early. Really early. Anyway, guys, so yun lang yung harvesting natin ng bulaklak. And yes, makadagdag talaga siya ng maka-beautify ng bahay ninyo kapag kapag meron kayong mga bulaklak na pwedeng i-harvest. One of them is ito. Talagang ito sa mga wedding, itong mga ganito, it's very demand. Kasama na yung mga ibang flower. Kasi matagal ito siya mag-ano, lalo na pag may flower food. Lagyan mo ng food dito sa tubig, matagal siyang mamatay. So, yun. Ganda. Bye, guys! Bye, Han!
Bye, guys.
He's back to his routine, guys. Tingnan nyo na, oh! Back to his routine, Is so ngayon kasi po yun nakaupo any kind of salad han tuna. So guys, kasi yung dinner namin we are kind of thinking na always thinking. So ito yung tuna na gagawin ko, the chicken one han. Chicken C.
There's a regular one in there, I think.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh no, you have one left here, the regular one, the Kirkland.
Go mix 1-1.
Okay. Anyway guys, so Tami he want kasi ayaw niya, gusto kong mag-defrost ng pagkain sana niya para lutuin, pero sabi niya magtuna salad na lang daw siya. So ako, hindi ko alam kung ano kakainin ko. Yung ulo ko kahapon pa ito masakit sa kakaedit. So I keep talking to myself na I have to stop. Hugasan ko lang po itong mga gulay natin, guys, ha. Yun. Nag-harvest tayo. Hopefully, nakita na ninyo yon yung harvest natin. So, yun. Si Tami, tinulungan ako ni Mr. mag-harvest. So, yun. I think nakita na ninyo yan. So, yun. Ito yung mga nakuha sa garden. Hugasan natin, baka may mga, baka may, how do you call that? Insekto Ito, ginoo ko. Asawa nating Kano. Ayaw nila yung mga ganun, guys. Yung mga insektong kumangkamang-kamang-kamang. Ayaw nila yung kumangkamang-kamang. So, kailangan nating hugasan yung mga gulay. Kasi kapag may kumakamang dito, may mga nag-control ng mga iba't ibang hinayupa. Yung asawa natin, magano, na, ano to? Para sila mga babae, takot. Takot. Nakakaloka, ganyan man yan sila. Matatakotin sa mga, hindi sila sanay kasi, guys. Itong asawa ko, hindi sanay mag-garden. Hindi talaga sanay mag-garden. So, yun. Look. We're gonna eat over there, guys, but we cannot really see each other. There is a big flower. It's a big flower in between us. Hi, Han.
And you look very flowery today.
And wait.
Get those little clips to put on the edge.
Clips. Not
Those
everything.
little clips. Right. Yeah. Is
So
it?
not everything is have to clip because you cannot.
What? I should not be able to put my arms on the table? You can sit by it.
Honey, even you do that. Look, honey, it's still good on.
Okay. Yeah, you can always take the tablecloth off and put it on the guest cup. It's, the line is finished.
Ops. So kayong maingay, guys, ha. Hindi niya alam na nasama siya sa video kumakain. Yun yung pinakaayaw niya, yung kumakain siya na may video. Wow, he's counting. Wow, he's a millionaire. All single. Anyway, so yun, guys. He's buying another lottery ticket. So can I spend $100 for a ticket?
No.
Can I?
No.
It's my money. It's my honey. It's my money.
$100 for tickets is a waste. You want
No.
to do it? Go for it, but it's still.
If I get if I spend $100, that means it's 50 tickets, right? Okay, give me $100.
Your odds for 50 tickets are no better than your odds for one ticket.
Hi guys, so samahan ko si Tami, guys.
We're gonna be back quick.
Han,
What? Where are we going?
can you put my bra here,
We're
please?
just going. Hon, we're just going to this.
Can you put my bra together in the back? This is the first time, guys. He doesn't even take it off.
It's not even here.
Hello, my back is itching, Han. Oh, diba? First time niyang naglagay and never been taking off my bra because I always take off my bra. Thank you, love. Ay! Igaton man kay. Pag sure good. Bye, guys. Ay, drive ko muna to. Balik na kami, guys. Pero meron tayong cone and cucumber.
Justin's probably not talking to me. You know, it's just
Meron ako nitong hindi nakita pala, guys. Nagtatago. Yan, nagtatago. Oh. Sobrang laki na. Nagtatago. Look, oh. Ang laki, guys. Ang laki. Ang laki. Ang laki, oh. Namamatay na ito talaga. So, I guess hindi ko na tanggalin ko na ito. Mag-change ako ng iba kasi look, halatang halata na mapatay na talaga siya. Look. Thank you guys for watching. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. Salamat sa pag-share. Salamat sa time ninyong lahat. Bye. Ingat.